We were getting ready to take the hawk loader out for a spin, but when it's finally run, we figured out it's leaking quite a bit of fuel, like everywhere. So we gotta see if we can fix that first, and maybe take a first spin. Maybe, we'll see. It's hawk loader maintenance time.
It was supposed to be hawk loader driving day.
Yep. He's a leaky boy.
Why is it so leaky?
Yeah.
Nee. Ik heb een wat zou het zijn?
That's the original.
What's better than one seal? Two seals!
This is becoming a reoccurring thing at our channel.
Just with your vehicle.
And so the carburetor started leaking. Of course, the day we were actually planning to take it out on a drive, but with gasoline's pouring out of it, driving it isn't really an option. So we'll be trying to fix that, and hopefully we'll get to drive it a little bit. Yeah, so that. So carburetor might be a bit dirty.
No.
That's
like cement or what?
Bye.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
There's more.
There's more.
What the hell? Like, this is all coming from the carburetor ball. Feels like sand on metal. Huh.
Sand.
Professional cleaning.
No, you can just, put Odin on the back and the brake cleaner.
Witness me!
And it should be able to drive.
Oh no, wait, ear first in the mouth and then...
Yeah. Hey, for the upcoming Mad Max film, if you need another vehicle, give us a call.
I will literally stand here, put fuel in my mouth and put it in a carburetor.
If we could join a Mad Max
Yeah, I
film,
would do that.
Yes.
I'm that mad.
Yes, put the entire cloth into your carburetor. Make sure it has like dog hairs on it and stuff.
Well, maybe it runs better than with the dog hair.
Better than with sand, probably.
Let's do some. We're gonna do some sketchy shit. Do that. Hope we get away with it. Do that.
Yeah. This is just, temporarily maybe fix.
Yeah.
Probably not.
Oh, that's what you want to get on camera. Me
Yes,
trying to
yes.
squeeze in here.
So
Most limber guy.
for the people who don't know, they haven't seen the previous videos. The hawk loader is owned by the three of us, and this will be Roy's first time starting it actually. So, do you fit?
Nice and warm.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
There is a button back here. Oh, that's
Yeah.
wonderful. Twist, pull, and twist. Right?
Yep. It's a neutral,
Yep.
and then the red go handle there is the starter, and here's the ignition switch.
Ignition.
Contact.
Start,
Well, if you have good batteries and have the carburetor clean, she starts right up, apparently. The hawk loader was fixed in the crane position, so that means that the front suspension and middle suspension are locked, so it doesn't have any room. It's a bit stuck, I guess. That little thing right there.
Is it zippy?
Fingers out of the way. Ta-da! Yes, so now we have suspension. Hopefully. Middle of nowhere. No one we can bother or anything. So perfect tread testing grounds.
Electric.
An electric, yes. No. Neutral. Who's gonna do first?
Maiden voyage. Security, jongen.
I guess we can say she works
Yes.
and drives.
Not sure if you can see it on camera, but we reached the 24 kilometers an hour.
Yeah. Hoppa! So, we want to find out how strong the hawk loader is, and I think it's a perfect time to test the
New rope instead of the chain.
yes.
Like we said, we will never use a chain again.
So this rope is from Silverback 4x4. We are able to test it out for them. It's a new product. It's a 21-ton kinetic rope, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in your standard hitches for army vehicles. So it's just a perfect fit. So will the old girl be able to pull the Unimog up a hill? Doubtful, but we're gonna try anyway.
Good luck.
Easy peasy. That's it's a strong little track vehicle. For just a 4-cylinder engine, it's pretty strong. And she works like a charm. Also, look, kinetic energy. The hawk loader is popping a wheelie. Oh my god, we are such serious YouTubers. Yeah. Normally when you start pulling on like a chain link or a hoisting band, the moment that you get tension on it, you just get it. But with this, it's perfect. And
Because do you feel it on your end?
no,
No.
I don't even notice that I'm pulling a Unimog.
Yeah, and I just start driving. It's well, I don't drive, but it just starts pulling and.
Yeah, perfect.
I can't wait until one of us gets stuck in the mud.
Yeah, and then we can really test it out. It's cool. Nice.
Dus, so. These are brakes and steering. The left one steers the left track. The right one steers the right track.
This is fucking awesome!
first time driving. Amazing.
It's cool, isn't it?
Kind of noisy compared to a Unimog. And
Yeah.
that says a lot.
Yeah. Maybe that's why there's like this sticker behind you. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I guess it was a successful day. Lost only 3 track pads. So we'll be tying her back up and then it's time to go home. Because it's getting cloudy and
It has
late.
no sunroof.
So yeah, next thing you know, we'll be back home and we'll do stuff. A successful day. Are we tired?
Nah, never.
Never. We never get tired.
We'll sleep when we're dead.
We drove a hawk loader. Bucket list item. Done. On to the next. Well, that was an exciting day. We got to drive the hawk loader for the first time.
Yes.
And I think we could say it works, it drives, it brakes. All in all, a very successful day. If you want to support us, you can buy some awesome merchandise on armytrucktom.nl or support us via coffee, coffee.com/armytrucktom. Links are probably here.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Also very important. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching.